Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the Tecno AI. So I'm going to be talking about the Tecno Spark 40 AI versus the Tecno Pop 10 AI, and these two phones were released with the Tecno AI, which is called Ella, and I'm going to be giving you differences and explaining what these phones come packing in the AI field. And we are going to be seeing the differences these two phones have in the AI field, as the Tecno Spark 40 goes for $110 plus the Tecno Pop 10 goes for $85. So here are the AI features these phones have. As you see, they all have the Ella voice assist. That's the first one. They also have the document assist or the writing assist. Then the Spark 40 has an extra AI feature which is called the AI wallpaper generator. So that's one difference. The Tecno Pop 10 has only three features: the voice assist, the document assist, and the write assist. But the Tecno Spark 40 has an extra feature which is AI wallpaper generator. And if we go to the AI gallery, here you're going to see another difference. The Tecno Spark 40 has gallery AI, but the Tecno Pop 10 doesn't have the gallery AI. And the gallery AI for the Tecno Spark 40 can do different things. You can erase and you can also extend the image. That's what it gives you at the moment. As you see, it has only two features in the gallery AI, and one of the features is the erase button. So I can circle an object and erase that object from the photo I took. But the Tecno Pop 10 doesn't have the gallery AI, and maybe because it's the one that begins the lineup of the Tecno phones, they decided to not give it the gallery AI. And the Tecno AI works on an internet connection. They don't work on device, they work on an internet connection. When you have an internet connection, there it will be able to perform. And in most cases, it doesn't select objects that efficient, but it gets the job done, and it's a go ahead compared to other brands. As you know, any phone that is released currently, it must have the AI features. You see, I erased the phone from my photo and it works perfect compared to the budget of this phone. It's a budget smartphone, but for the Pop 10 you don't get that feature. You just get the voice assist, and also you get the document assist, where you can upload documents to get summaries or to get key points, or the write assist, where it can help to correct your grammar and spellings of certain words. But for the Tecno Spark 40, you get more features. Like, for example, here is the photo extender, as I can make my photo or crop into my photo and let the AI generate the extras. As you see, it has generated an extra layer on the photo I had. It made the phone longer. It added an extra chair in front, as you see, and it works. It's not that perfect, but it gets the job done. And this is a good move in the AI field, as a budget phone can also have some AI features that you can use. And one feature that I really liked on the Tecno Spark 40 AI is the wallpaper generator. That works perfectly, as it gives you good wallpapers, and I'm going to be showing you that in a few. But the Tecno Pop 10, its AI is more of Google Gemini, so it's not that much, but at least you get that feel of an AI, because as you see here, this is the function I was telling you called the wallpaper generator. As you can give it an image and a style, then it will be able to generate wallpaper for you based on the things you gave it. Sometimes it brings a wallpaper that is more of what you gave it, and sometimes it will generate something totally different. As I upload that photo for it to generate a wallpaper, you see the Tecno Pop 10 has only 3 AI features: the document assist, write assist, and the Ella voice assist, which is that, and you can ask it anything, maybe turn on this, turn on this. And the Tecno Spark 40, you see it has generated a wallpaper. And here, if I prompt this AI maybe to write me a poem, it will be able to do that, as it can write you a poem, maybe correct a grammar, maybe give you ideas on certain things if you like need motivation. So it is also helpful in one way or another, and mostly this AI is based on mainly grammar, documents, writing, giving ideas. As I told you at first, it's more of a Gemini stuff. It's like Google Assist, if you have ever used Google Assist. So for that of Pop 10, it's like Google Assist. And this is the photo or the wallpaper it generated for me. And those are the key differences between the AI of the Tecno Pop 10 and the Tecno Spark 40. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.